I'm Bennett Watson with WATTCO Equipment. My title is Business Development Manager, but I kind of head the sales team here at WATTCO. And our role with Taoglas is distributing, reselling, providing custom solutions for end user departments. We were looking for a new antenna solution specifically for different radios in the marketplace. We found that customers were looking for some sort of off-the-roof solution for antennas, both for aesthetic reasons as well as practical ones. So a lot of departments end up with many holes in their roofs when they're installing antenna equipment and communications equipment. And we wanted to limit the number of holes departments needed to punch in their roof. And a solution that's either on glass or off the roof completely is what we were looking for. Really what stands out about the Watson antenna is it's completely off the roof. So either glass mounted or up in the headliner mounted, and it completely removes the need for a roof mounted antenna. And that's what we were looking for when we were looking at a new solution. Product requirements that were non-negotiable for us were we did not want to have to sacrifice performance. Obviously, you're going to get the best performance from an antenna solution with something that's mounted on the roof. But the next best option is the Watson antenna. We believe that customers are not going to be sacrificing performance by coming off the roof and into the interior of the vehicle, whether that's on the glass or somewhere else. The Watson antenna removes the need for a roof-mounted antenna solution and allows us to mount somewhere on the glass of the vehicle. Yeah, working with Taoglas from the get-go has been an absolute pleasure. When we came to Taoglas with the need for an antenna like this, we were met very warmly, and it was about trying to find the best solution possible for the customer. And throughout the process, there's been lots of give and take, lots of good feedback, and we've been very happy with the process working with Taoglas. The motivation behind WATTCO looking for an additional antenna supplier was just variety, filling different spaces that we see in the marketplace. Specifically in the undercover and covert realm, we've found some of the Taoglas solutions are incredibly unique and very applicable to a lot of the departments that we work with. And the location of Taoglas's facility here in San Diego, California, allows us to have access to product whenever it is we need it and can get it into the customer's hands in a timely fashion. I'm just very excited about the Watson antenna and excited to see it applied to a lot of our customers' vehicles here in the future.